Today, I'm meeting up with my friends Soumya and Gurleen, and they're going to be taking us to some of the most iconic spots in Old Delhi. So let's go see what it's like. But first, it's time to say bye to this lovely room. I am checking out of the West End and moving to somewhere in central Delhi because this part of town has nothing much to do. I mean, sure, there are plenty of things to do here in Gurgaon as well, but it does not align with the experiences I am looking for. Checkout मैंने कर लिया है, अभी लॉबी में बैठा हूँ, मेरा लगेज इधर रखा है और मेरी कैब आ रही है. Now the problem is I don't really know which hotel to go to. मैंने book नहीं किया है. I've just put my cab location as Central South Delhi, and the options that I have are Taj Palace, Hyatt, and Novotel. Now I would have blindly taken Taj Palace because I honestly love that hotel. But the problem here is that they don't have a king-sized bed. They have twin beds. I don't fit on those small twin beds, yaar. I'm tall. I sleep like one जानवर. I don't fit on those beds, and the quality of sleep is not the best. But I love the hotel. I just absolutely love the hospitality in the hotel, the vibe, the lobby, all of that stuff. So I'm contemplating what should I do. Should I go to Hyatt, compromise on the hospitality a bit, or should I compromise on my sleep a bit and then go to Taj itself? Alright, so Bobby's, I've decided to stay at Hyatt. Let's see how it is. It's my first time in Hyatt. I've never stayed in any Hyatt across India. Here's my room. Let's check it. Okay, not bad. Much smaller when compared to Westin, but also much cheaper. So I'm not complaining. Anyways, I'm gonna spend the entire day outside, so this will do just fine. Quite old, bro. This hotel, quite old, I suppose. Right, enough talking now. Let's go catch up with our Delhi baddies. तो भाई मैं आया हूँ रजौरी गार्डन मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास, where I'm supposed to meet up with Soumya. ये रहे भाई, ये रहे दोनों. What's up, guys? What's up, gang? How are you guys doing? आज ठंड है.
Google, Google.
Googlu, hi baby. Say hi, buddy.
इधर करो बम स्क्रैच.
अच्छा, बम स्क्रैच, ओके.
ऐसा होता है. आज मोहित को ठंड लग रही है.
आज मोहित जम चुका है भाई.
बस कल इतना ताना मारा इसने मुझे, इतना ताना मारा. अब तुझे क्या व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से टू मी? तो तेरे को थर्मल लाने को बोला, तेरे को सब लाने को बोला. व्हाट डू यू से?
थैंक यू. थैंक यू. यस, आई एम वेयरिंग थर्मल पैंट आल्सो. चलो यार, भूख लग रही है.
चलो.
सो ये रजौरी गार्डन क्या है बेसिकली?
ये ना मोहित बोल रहा था कि रजौरी गार्डन रिच बैडी एरिया है.
अच्छा, ये साउथ दिल्ली का सस्ता वर्जन है. ओके, एंड हम लोग इधर क्या खाने आए हैं?
बताएगी, बोली बताएगी.
गीले कुलचे. We have two options, Prem Di Hatti and we have Baljit.
Oh, I've had it from Baljit only. जो
Let's
बता
go.
रही थी तेरे को.
लेट्स डू बोथ देन. मैं कर लूंगा हैंडल. कर पक्का.
मिलते हैं क्रेजी वाले.
हाँ, अभी के लिए तो क्या कुलचे, राइट? दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइंग कुलचे, गाइस.
भाई मेरी आंखें लाल नहीं है आज.
आंखें लाल नहीं है.
मेरे लाइसेंस को भेज दिया करती प्लीज.
तुम लोग मेरे से रोज एडिट करा रहे हो, रोज लॉन्च मंगवा रहे हो. देख लो कंडीशन मेरी. मार लग.
It is very important कि आप इसकी जिंदगी देखो.
है ना?
आपका सीए क्या बोलेगा? सीए को
मैंने काट दिया गाइस. अरे वाह, रायता प्याज चटनी के साथ. सौम्या एक्साइट हो रही है?
बटर चाहिए.
नहीं सर, इतना बस, थैंक यू. और कितना बटर डलवाएगी? दिख नहीं रहा तेरे को? गाइस, ये लोग मेरे को फर्स्ट बाइट देते कभी भी. वेरी chivalrous.
किसी को तो होना पड़ेगा.
All your ghee and butter.
Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, इस ठंडी में गाइस मेरे हाथ literally they were freezing outside. ठीक है, now this naan, sorry, कुलचा इतना गरम है. It's warming me up inside out.
What's the stuffing?
What's the stuffing? Stuffing आलू है ना?
तू बता.
आलू है, प्याज है और बहुत सारा प्यार है.
Now mix it with this and this.
He's busy.
अरे गॉर्डन रैमजी मिक्स करो से.
यही नहीं. What the chutney? Bro, chutney, Gurleen.
I know. आवाज डाल देगा भाई.
Gurleen is making the perfect bite for me. So this is a perfect bite. Okay.
Wait.
अच्छा, इसमें दही भी डलता है ऊपर?
Yes.
100 times we told you.
Okay, chill guys. It's my first time. Okay, South Indian here. Let's go for it, bobbies. Top. और ये मेरे को कल कोरियन खिलाने ले गई थी.
Listen, experience of everything.
अगर मैं दिल्ली से होता ना, मुझे लगता नहीं कभी फिट होता मैं.
तू अभी फिट है?
Guys, top tier kulche. Now we're gonna go eat rajma chawal.
Oh my god, look at this hustle.
Oh my god. Gurleen is the real baddie, guys.
Another one.
Oh, दो लैपटॉप लेके घूम रही है ये.
घर का काम नहीं है भाई.
राजमा चावल, guys.
ये तो इसको भाई ये तो डिंग
कोई बताओ ना कोई अच्छा है.
अरे खा तू रहा है, हम कैसे बताएं?
मेरे को तो अच्छा लगा है.
एक बाइट लिया मिर्ची का.
उसको मिर्ची लग रही है.
तो मिर्ची लेने से मिर्ची लगती है ना.
Not that spicy. It's छोटा सा.
इतनी सी बाइट ली है.
Guys, what do I say, guys? मैं इतना स्वीट हूँ कि थोड़ी सी भी मिर्ची मेरे
कि नसें निकलनी शुरू हो गई कुछ इतनी मिर्ची.
Okay, can you girls please taste? ये पानी में पी लेता लेकिन इसमें इलेक्ट्रोलाइट पाउडर डाल रखा है इसने.
Because you should stay hydrated.
टटियां लग जाती है बंदे.
Alright guys, Rajma Chawal done, and all in all review, I liked it because my standards for all this is not that high. But Soumya and Gurleen, who've grown up eating stuff like this, said that it's fine, but they've had a lot better in other places.
Next time.
Next time, there's always a next time, right? But at least I know what to expect next time.
Yeah.
So we're now going for some Raj Kachori
Yes.
chaats, and where are we going?
Home sweets.
Here we are at Om Sweets and Snacks. Let's do it, guys. Raj Kachori taste test here at Om Charts and Sweets. या फिर Om Sweets and Charts. या फिर Sweets and Charts by Om. अबे टूट ही नहीं रहा है.
तो तोड़ो ना, जोर लगाओ.
तो स्पिल हो
तो
जाएगा.
जिम नहीं गया है क्या बिल्कुल भी?
फील हो जाएगा तो क्या हो गया?
Could we make a bite for you?
Yes, please.
Gurleen, can you make?
Gurleen, can you please make a bite for us? Gurleen is the real baddie, guys.
Ready? Okay.
Ready हो.
Ready हो.
Oh, come here. Gurleen का बैग.
इस बंदे से 2 लैपटॉप नहीं उठाया जा.
भाई ये 15 किलो का बैग है ये.
It's not that heavy. भाई अब तू बैडीज के साथ हैंग आउट करेगा तो
थोड़ा बैडी खुद बनना पड़ेगा, राइट?
उस उल्लू के पट्टे ने दही ज्यादा भर दी है.
बहुत ज्यादा दही है यार.
ये तूने बहुत प्यार से बोला था ना, अच्छे से
बनाना भैया, अच्छे से बनाना.
तुम्हारा ही अच्छे से बना दिया.
मुंह खोल आ.
इसमें दही बल्ला भी होता है. ओह, नाइस.
डाउट क्या था तुझे?
दही भल्ला भी होता है.
अब टूटा भाई. तारे ज़मीन पर. स्पिल तो नहीं किया ना बैग पे मैंने?
स्पिल करेगा तो 11,000 रुपए का बैग लाना.
नहीं गाइस, सॉरी, इतना बजट नहीं है. Alright bobbies, now the main reason that I'm here in Delhi for the Gajar Park. ये
Wasn't it to surprise
हाँ,
chef?
तो सरप्राइज शेफ वाज फर्स्ट एंड पकड़ा गया. बढ़िया. From the food scene, this is the main reason, okay? They're to try Gajar Pak. South में ये नहीं मिलता. थोड़ा और रोस्ट कर सकते थे.
करे?
किसे? मुझे? ये दोनों मेरे को इतना रोस्ट कर रहे हैं. ट्राई कर, बता. थोड़ा और रोस्ट हो सकता था, राइट? फॉर द नटीनेस. थोड़ा और रोस्ट ना. अब आगे का प्लान ये है कि हम अपना गाजर पाक लेके निकलेंगे. क्या खाने? मोमोज खाने, guys.
At Gurleen's place.
At Gurleen's restaurant. That's right. Gurleen has a takeaway restaurant, so we'll go try it out. ले लिया भाई हम लोगों ने 2 किलो गाजर पाक. बैंगलोर में बैठ के आराम से खाएंगे अभी. चले हसल बैडी, हार्ड वर्किंग बैडी. अभी हम पहुंच चुके हैं मोती नगर में and it is pouring, right? Pouring. And this is Gurleen's own restaurant, Chaap Chature.
Moti Nagar Chaap Chature.
Moti Nagar Chaap Chature, and we're now going to do a taste test.
And look at the weather. It's perfect.
Perfect तो पता नहीं.
For the food.
For the food.
गरम गरम खाना.
ये देखो guys.
जिसको भी फोटोशॉप करना आता है.
Guys वो देख लो. गुरलीन की मम्मी बना रही है हमारे लिए तंदूरी.
That's all her love for him. And
प्यार.
she's a fan.
प्यार से खिला रही है गुरलीन की मम्मी। ये क्या ले आई गुरलीन? What is this? What do we have here, Gurleen?
It's paneer 65.
पनीर 65। Fuck. भाई ये तो क्रेजी लग रहा है यार। ओह प्लीज। फर्स्ट ये टिक्का होता है क्या इसका? अच्छा, पनीर 65 बेसिकली पहले तंदूर में करके कर रहे हैं। Unbelievable, unbelievable.
I am so happy right now.
No, unbelievable. This thing is. I am saying this after eating like some 200 items already. Unbelievable. Time to leave, guys. Bobbies, look who's here. Shefali is back from work. How was work though?
It was nice. How's your day?
Sexy. Cannot get any better.
It's gonna get better now.
How?
Because I got you one small gift.
Small
It's actually
gift?
not that small, but yeah.
How can you give small gifts to big man? Big man deserves big gifts.
Big man is small man only. Nobody knows the truth.
What does that mean?
I didn't mean it that way. I just meant he's like a very. He has a very small heart.
Oh, I'm very secure with my heart size, so it doesn't trigger me. But yeah, what is this?
That came out so wrong.
What is this small gift that you got me?
I got you a couple of gifts.
Why did you get me a gift though?
I think they know why I got you a gift.
Why do you think she got me a gift, guys?
It's more like I had to get you a gift. No, I wanted to get you a gift. That's why. I'm gonna give you 4 clues. You have to guess what it is.
Okay, what are the clues?
Okay. Hi, hello. This is something you always ask to use of mine, but I never let you to do it. I never allow you to use that product of mine, basically.
What product of yours do I ask for?
Think.
Comb! Bro, she doesn't let me use her comb because I have dandruff.
Yeah, no shit. Last one and the best one.
I'll read it.
Yes, you should.
Hi, hello. This is something that you have wanted for a long time. You will ideally use it 2 times a day. What do you do 2 times a day? You got me a electric toothbrush.
Ooh, man, got it right.
You got me electric toothbrush. Huh?
Yeah, I did.
I've been wanting one for so long.
I'm just kidding. I got you a regular toothbrush. No, bro, I'm kidding. I got you an electric toothbrush.
Sure. Guys, I've been wanting an electric toothbrush for like ages now, but I never bought it for myself because Oral-B, this one's expensive.
Yeah, this is the best one you get in India because if you Google the top one, this is the one that pops up.
How much?
I think 4 point something I paid, like 5K-ish.
Guys, flight ticket I recovered, guys. Flight ticket recover हो गया, guys.
See, this is why you should have an employed girlfriend.
Alright, guys. शेफाली और मैं अब निकल चुके हैं desserts लेने. शेफाली cannot survive a day without sweets, right? हम आ चुके हैं भाई खान मार्केट में. काफी happening place लग रही है. पूरी youth crowd है यहाँ पे.
I was going to say, I'm not the youth.
Bobbies, we are at the Big Chill Cakery here in Khan Market. Packed at 11:30 in the night. Here's my order at the Big Cakery. We've gone for a chocolate and orange burnt creme brulee cake, and here's a lemon and blueberry cheesecake. Bro, everything. Why are you crying, chef? How is it?
Oh my god, you should have it.
Guys, this is the shit. This is the shit. No wonder there's a crowd here at 11 in the night. What's your final review of the Big Chill?
Amazing. Can it come to Bangalore?
Too good, no?
Bro, we don't have a single restaurant, cafe chain or cakery or whatever in Bangalore that's like a 10 on 10. This was too good.
This was too good. Bobbies, we've now come to Azam's and we're trying out the mutton galati kebab. Excited?
Yeah, but I want to take a picture first. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
If it's good, we'll try kakori kebab as well.
Don't have the appetite for that.
I do. Oh wow, bro. It's so crispy on the outside, melts in the inside. Check that, come here. Check that. Crisp, soft. Perfect.
Amazing.
Amazing, yeah. Alright, Bobbies, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.